I'm a clerk with 10 years experience in working in warehousing and procurement department using Microsoft Office. I started with a degree and work at office and both to client and supplier transaction. Now I'm looking to grow within a role where I can work on scalable system, which I am interested in this position. I do clerical work with strong experience in monitoring updating transactions between supplier and our office. I got a ship and ship cargoes needed for company operations. I also do inventory work at our warehouse. I also enjoy solving technical problems. Now I'm looking an opportunity to continue to contribute to your company and grow my skill.